So this is the unboxing of the
Xiaomi
Mi Pad 5. Before we even start this video, let me just let you know this so that nobody will come at me. Right, so as said by Google, the official pronunciation of Xiaomi is Xiaomi. But I'm from the Caribbean, so you may hear me say Xiaomi or Xiaomi, or some people say Xiaomi, some people say Xiaomi. But I just go down and say Xiaomi because SH, I don't know, that's easier to say. So, I'm going to be reviewing this. So this is the unboxing video. I'm going to be unboxing the pen. Everything in Chinese here because it's from China. So I don't know what will happen when I put on a tablet, but yeah, everything in Chinese. At least I could see 5 volts, 25 milliamps. All right, so this is the pen, this is the charger, 33-watt charger, so I'll take this out after. And I have the actual tablet and I have this case here. So let's go with the tablet first. Tablet, everything else will just go to the side for now. To the side. And it's one of those boxes that has small boxes, so packaging, nothing too special about the packaging, it's white. We can see it's a 6GB RAM model, 128GB of storage. I don't know what the processor is, and I don't know if I'll be able to find out if I read it in Chinese or Japanese. I think it's Chinese. Yeah, Xiaomi is a Chinese company. We'll fix that in the end if I don't know. All right, so off with the box. Inside is stuff. It's kind of soft. It's a white box, right? One down. This is the actual tablet. So let me get it up. Do I have to pull this tab here? Oh, okay, well done guys, well done. Well done. Sometimes, you know, you have to kind of stick your finger in between here. That doesn't really work out too well. So pull up the tab. Ooh, the tablet comes out. So let's start off. I'll tell you that this thing is thin. It looks like it has the grills of an iPhone or an iPad. These are grills that you normally see in an iPhone, iPad. This is USB-C charging. USB-C charging. Thank God for that. On left hand side, oh, more speaker grills. So that means it probably has stereo speaker sound. Because it does say Dolby Atmos. Don't know if you're seeing that there. So that means we have stereo sound for sure. This hole here probably for the microphone. And this pole here is for right. Alright, so time for a little ASMR. Are you ready? That ASMR, not ASMRing. No, didn't really ASMR too well there. Hold on, my girl, something here with something. Nope. Alright. Alright, so I have to return this, so I'm going to try to keep the original packaging before I get, like, you know, charged for not giving back exactly what I was given. So this review unit has been provided by a local company in Trinidad and Tobago, young entrepreneurs, and I have been tasked with doing the review. So this is the tablet. First of all, first impressions, it's not very heavy, it's fairly thin. I'm not a big tablet user. You had to work really hard to get me to use a tablet for productivity because tablets don't really do the best in productivity for me, especially Android tablets. But we'll see. I'm going to give it a genuine run. Notice these little things here, these white kind of stripes. These are here because most likely that's the antenna, because it seems like this thing is made of metal. Yep, it's some metal kind of thing, so it's not plastic. And all of these little stripes that you see in here, those will be definitely for the antennas to be able to get out. Nice. I'm not seeing any SIM card tray or SIM card slot. I don't want to take any pin and push it inside there. This is just a power button. So does it boot up? Does it come with any charge? No, it's dead as a doorknob. It's dead. Yeah. Alright, so I'll have to put it to charge. No, wait, that's the volume rocker I was pressing. Okay, that's the volume rocker. This might be the power button here. Let's see. Power button. Do you have any charge? Yes, it did come in with some charge. Mi, that's the Mi branding, and it's powered by Android. You see it saying it there, powered by Android. I think they want me to hold it like this. I think so. This is how it's supposed to look when I'm holding it up. Ooh. Ooh. MIUI, that is the Android skin. Well, not a skin, it's basically the Android version. Oh, it comes in Japanese. Oh no. Oh no, let me see. Next. English. Ta-da! English, and then increase text size. No, it's English. Alright. So I'm supposed to set up the network now. So this will be the actual This will be in the review, so I will do the review after. Alright, so I'll take this off for now, and we will put the tablet to the side. I don't know which part on the side, because I can't afford for this to fall. Okay, I'll just rest it right here. Good. Alright, let's see what's in the box. Now we have packaging. Okay, so this part here, it seems like it will come off normal. What do I get inside? I get a, what is this? What? A dongle. Because obviously they couldn't put a headphone jack on a tablet. So I have a dongle and the headphone port here because, let me get back the tablet. All we have inside here is one USB-C. So that one USB-C is supposed to do everything. So this dongle here will be if you want to plug in headphones. But more than likely, they would more than likely be pushing you to use Bluetooth headphones anyhow. Alright, so this little dongle here, all the packaging is paper, so you know they're environmentally friendly, no plastic. Yeah, this is paper. And a little guide that is in Chinese. I can read nothing, but the website miui.com is in, yeah. Alright, so I definitely can't read this, but who reads the manuals anyway? So I'll put this back like that. Okay, cool. That's the packaging for the tablet. Now let's move on to the accessories. Accessory number 1 is the case and keyboard. So I had to shake that one down. Ooh, same kind of vibe. Same packaging, box white and whatnot. And of course I have to pull up here. Oh, pull up here. ASMR. Ooh. Yeah. Oh, there's a little leathery feel to it. I wonder if it could deal with scratches. We'll get to that when I'm doing the review, right? Yeah, but it's not coming out. Okay, maybe I have to pull this part up. All right, yeah, pull that up. And, oh, it's stuck. Hold on. Okay, the plastic is stuck to the top. I guess that's by design, so let me leave that like that, because as I said, I have to return this. Anyhow, moving on. If I am to open this up, I'll get the part for the tablet has to go here. Hopefully it's magnetic. A dummy tablet, which is this it's not Velcro, but all right, what's this? This is a booklet that's in, you guessed it, Chinese, right? Let me go again. Nice. Okay, so I'm gonna put this back. Oh, this is kind of, it fits perfectly. Right, so this is the keyboard. Oh, it's magnetic. I could definitely feel the magnetism. And the keyboard, we'll get to the touch and tactileness of it eventually. These pins here, pogo pins that will touch the tablet. So let me just give you a little preview of how it will look. So I'll take the tablet, I rest it here. Magnetism, it holds it right in place, no questions asked, magnetized, easy does it. And if I want to sort of dock it, I will put it forward like this, and the pins, ooh, it just fits right. Wow, that's nice. I'm gonna hold it up here. That's nice. And dog, it feeling kind of wobbling a little bit, but I mean, I didn't really expect to be wobbling this so much. But when you put it down like this, it feels like it in place. It's sturdy. The magnetism is solid. Keyboard there, and then you pull it back like this, and we close them off. There's the screen auto thing. All right, cool. Yeah, this is unboxing videos and our review. We'll get into these cameras after, because it has an AI camera. Ooh, AI, right? Yep, so we put this at the side. That's to review. Time for the charger. Open up the box for the charger, and we have guys, was the box over engineered or no? The sticky thing was holding it down. All right, so this is supposed to be a USB-C charger, but all right, so it's a USB-A to USB-C cord. So that means it probably doesn't have fast charging and power delivery, but it's it probably has fast charging, but it doesn't have PD power delivery. But I'll see when I plug it in, I will know. Right, and they have they have accessorized it with orange. For some reason, orange inside. So this is a USB-C cable, USB-A to USB-C. 33 watt charger. It's in the highest in the bunch, because there are like 65 watt chargers that are available. But 33 watts should get you through fast enough. Let me see if I could get the ASMR for y'all here. Listen for it. Alright, I kind of over-exaggerated it. Alright, so that's the charger. This is a review unit, so I am going to respect it and put it back because I don't need to take this off. I only have to take off the things that are necessary to take off. Alright, so we put this guy back in the wrong way. Oh, there is a little hole for it. Back inside. Nice. Wait, that's close enough. And now the pen. So we get to the pen. Oh, pen comes with a little tab. So I pull this out like that. Pull, open, pull up the tab. Oh, that's the pen. Did they have anything inside here? Probably some writing that is in Chinese. Right. Well done. And next, the pen. Now, my question is, how does this pen charge? Let me see. Okay, so the pen is here. Does it have a screw or anything? Maybe I might have to read the thing in Chinese because as far as I know, pens must have a battery. If it do have a battery, how is it even going to charge? Oh, they give an extra, you get an extra pen tip, which is cool. They don't say anything about. Okay, so it seems like the pen charges on the top of the tablet. It's magnetized. Okay, let's try that out quickly to see if it works. Oh my goodness! And it orients itself to what? I could put it like this, and if I just rest the pen, it figures it out, dog. Yeah. So if I put it like this, this is totally the opposite side. Lego. Okay, no, I didn't do it that time. Okay, do it now. Figure it out. Okay, cool. Yeah. Right, good. So that is the pen. So the pen has to be out because I need to test that too. Right, so because I'm a teacher, I'll find some creative ways to use this to see if I could teach. This maybe, what's that on the inside? Is that something else inside it? Or is it like, what is that inside there? Something just to make it hard? I don't know. Yeah, so the only way I could get to that is if I literally rip the box, but I can't rip the box. What was this? Why do they have this very hard part here? Alright, okay. So they have things that are in English, designed by Xiaomi. Then they have the Japanese, the Chinese right here. So, okay. Alright, so we will cover you back. I'll put the pen back in the plastic, just for packaging purposes. Alright, so that's the unboxing there. This thing bothering me. Why it's so heavy? I don't know. I'll get to the bottom of it. Right, so that is the pen. We put the pen back inside. Ta-da! Good. So that's all our stuff. The review should be coming out in about 2 weeks. I'll spend about a week and a half with it, and then we will take all the review footage and see what I come up with. So I'll be reviewing this on the channel, and then when I do the official review, I'll tell you where you can get this in Trinidad and Tobago directly, and you won't have to order it from anybody because they will have in stock Xiaomi, which is the #1. Well, at this video, like 2021, they are the #1 smartphone maker in the world right now. So their products are usually very good. So I'll see how good really good is, because it's not really the hardware that will make the difference, you know, it's the software. So we'll see how the software goes.